Hello and welcome to SeedSoft. In today's video, I will show you how to use our flexible tables in the system using the variety or product table as an example. So first of all, in order to get to the variety table, you need to press on the varieties module on the left of the screen here. When you open the module, you have a standard view that you can adjust to your needs and save the view later. I will show you how to do that. Let me start with the basics. So how can I hide or unhide columns? Easiest way is to press on the columns button here on the top left and say, for instance, I don't want to see the seed type or the breeder's variety ID. These columns have just disappeared. Alternatively, I can press the three dots here on the column I want to hide and press hide column. Works equally well. Second thing is you can change the order of columns in the system. Let's say you would like to have the crop closer to the left. No, nothing easier. I just dragged, dropped it, ready. Third thing is what happens if you would like to have columns always visible. So as an example, right now the global name column here will be visible even if I scroll the table. If I scroll to the right, you will see that all other columns are scrolling, but this one is staying in the same place. I can do the same with another column. For instance, supplier organization, pin to the right. Now you will see that I have two columns pinned, one on the right, one on the left, and I scroll only the in-between part. Another thing is filtering. So let's say I would like to only see Cucurbitacea products. Again, two ways. I can either press three dots here, filter, choose Cucurbitacea, and immediately I see no other crop families. Or I can also do it here in the filter section. I can add another filter. I can remove all the filters. Next topic is Excel export. Again, very easy. I press on the export button, download as Excel, and in a couple of seconds, I won't show it now, but in a couple of seconds you will get a ready to use Excel file with all the data that you have right now on the table. So the 155 varieties that are visible here would be downloaded to your Excel. How about filtering? Also very easy. If you wanted to filter everything by, let's say, production cycle, just press on this arrow that shows up when you hover your mouse over, and you have it sorted from warm to cool summer. Of course, it's an alphabetic sorting. How about grouping? Let's say you would like to group by crop. Press on the three dots on crop, press by group, and suddenly your products are grouped separately: watermelons, separately squashes, cucumbers, melons. As an example, I open melon group. I only see melon varieties. Can be quite convenient. Now, let's go back to saving, because you've created a view, you've spent your time, you would like to make sure that you can always use it. Just press on the Save Current View, give it a name, let's say My Favorite View, save it, and this view will be always recoverable in the custom view section here. As an addendum, you can also share the view with your colleagues by pressing this button here, the share button. Thank you very much for watching the video, and have a lot of fun with SeedSoft. Bye bye.